Good afternoon and welcome to the show.
Today we will run two stories about pirates.
The first one, Pierre Pen, is a story of a boy who doesn't want to grow up.
He and his friends fly to Newland, visit the island and fight the pirates.
The second story is Treasure Island.
Jim and his friends have a great adventure. Enjoy it!
This is the story of Peter Pan. He doesn't want to be a man. He lives in Never Land. He visits Wendy, Michael, and John. They live in a house in North London. One night, Peter Pan flies into the children's bedroom.
Good night, Michael. Good night, John. Wendy, tell a story.
Oh, yes, story, please.
Okay. I'll tell you a story. Listen to me.
Where is it? I can't find it.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
I'm Pierre Pan. I'm looking for my shadow.
Where are you from?
I'm from Neverland.
Neverland? Where you see?
It's a special place. You can't go if you grow. Do you want to see it? Come with me.
We can go. What will Mother say?
Mother? What's a mother?
A mother is someone who loves you and cares for you and tells you stories.
Good. You'll be my mother. Come on. Where am I?
Where are we going?
To Neverland.
But how?
Flying, of course.
But we can't fly.
It's not difficult. See, lovely thought.
Christmas.
Chocolate. Flowers.
Wow, we can fly.
We can fly. We can fly.
A smile in your heart. There's no better time to smile. Think of all the joy you'll find when you leave the world behind and bid your cares goodbye.
Peter Pan, Wendy, Michael, and John now in Neverland. This is a beautiful place.
Wow, Peter, it's fantastic.
Ready, fire.
Boom!
Are you alright, Wendy?
Stop it. What are you doing, boys?
Who are they?
They are some new friends.
And who are they?
They are the lost children. They don't want to grow up. Boys, I brought your mother to tell stories.
A mother?
She isn't aware. We are sorry.
Come on, I'll show you the island.
I want to see the mermaids and the Indians.
I'm the pirates. Can I be the leader?
Of course.
Forward. March.
Following the leader, we're following the leader, wherever he
Peter Pan.
How?
We must find his house. I hate him.
Yes, Captain, I know. Peter Pan cut your hand and the crocodile ate it. And now,
Yes, and now he's everywhere I go trying to eat the rest of me.
yes, Captain, but he ate your watch too. And now,
Yes, and now I can hear this tick-tock all the time. Shh! Can you hear anything?
don't worry, Captain. We'll catch Peter Pan.
At the same time, the children are in Peter's house.
Goodbye, Peter. We're going home.
We are going with you.
Bye.
Bye.
The pirates are coming.
Pirate like fighting. Haha, we've got you. Help! Help!
Captain Hook and the children are on the pirate ship. Hello, children.
Do you want to be pirates?
No, we don't.
Then you work the plan.
Peter Pan will save us.
Pierre Pan, no, he won't.
Now, do you want to be pirates?
No, we don't. As you wish. Ladies first, my dear. Work the plan. Who's next?
You're next, Captain.
It's Pan.
Peter Pan. Work the plan. Work the plan. No, please. I'll do anything you say.
All right. See you, Rockfish.
I am a goldfish.
La la.
I am a goldfish.
Hooray!
Cookies are goldfish, a goldfish, a goldfish.
All right. You can go. Let's go. Let's go.
Where are we going, Captain Pan?
So now, madam.
Oh, we can come. Thank you, Peter.